Seven sum. Let A is the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B. The set of all prime numbers less than 8. C. The set of even prime number. Verify that following two questions given. A is the set of all natural numbers less than 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P is the set of all prime numbers less than 8. B is prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. C is the set of even prime number. So C is 2 only even prime number. Verify. First one. A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Left hand side. A intersection B cross C. A intersection B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection 2, 3, 5, 7. A intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. A intersection B cross C. 2, 3, 5, 7 cross 2. Order pairs 2, 2, so 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. CS1. Right hand side. A cross C intersection B cross C. First find A cross C. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross C is 2. Set of order pairs 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. B cross C. B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross 2. Order pairs 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. From A cross C and B cross C. A cross C intersection B cross C. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Say as 2. From 1 and 2, we observe A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection AB cross C. Second one, find, verify. A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Left hand side, A cross B minus C. First to find B minus C. B is 2, 3, 5, 7 minus 2. 2 is common, so cancel 2. We get 3, 5, 7. A cross B minus C. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross 3, 5, 7. Order pairs 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7, says 1. Right hand side, A cross B minus A cross C. First find A cross B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross 2, 3, 5, 7. Order pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. A cross C. A 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. A 1, 2, 1, 2 common. 2, 2, 2, 2 common. 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2. A cross B minus A cross C is equal is 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Says 2. From 1 and 2, we observe A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Hence verified. Next type is relation. Definition for relation. Definition for relation. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, satisfying some specified condition. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, then we write it as X related to Y. X related to Y if and only if X, Y belongs to R. That is, A and B are two non-empty sets. A relation is made from A to B. That is subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Here, X belongs to A and Y belongs to B through relation. X related to Y. We get our pair is X, Y, that belongs to the relation. Or domain. The domain of the relation R is X belongs to A, X related to Y, for some Y belongs to B. That means from the set A, which are elements are related with B, that elements are called domain. The codomain. The codomain of a relation R is B. The set B is called codomain. The second set is called codomain. The range of the relation R Y belongs to B, X related to Y, for some X belongs to A. That is, what are the elements in set B which are relation with the first set A? That elements are called as range. For example, a set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B Madhi, Arul, John. Here see the arrow diagram. A and B, the set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B Madhi, Arul and John. Here some relation are made. 1 is related with Madhi, 2 is related with Arul, 3 is related with John and 4 is related with Madhi. Here 5 elements in A, but 4 elements are related with B. That 4 element is called domain. The domain of R is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the range. All the element in set B is related with A. So range of R is Madi, Arul, John. And also codomain is equal to range.